This is my first stream, so let me see if I can find that up here. Hold on, I'm not share my screen for just a second. So you look at me. Okay, we're good. So the first thing I'm going to do is follow my checklist. I've been paper trading for a while now and not following my checklist. And so I've gotten bad results. So the first step was to make sure the following are marked. Mark the daily level, mark the 4 hour, 1 hour. And then don't trade off these levels because they are weak. So what I did was mark each one in different colors. Like mark, so the daily is going to be, let's change this. Daily is going to be the color to the farthest left, and it's red. And red for this. I don't know. There's red just for this one. That was just obvious. And then I'll go kind of to the right on the color wheel as I go down the level. So I'm going to look at the 4 hour. And on the 4 hour, the daily one is already marked. This 4 hour one becomes a little clearer. And so I mark that one in orange. You can see it's like one over on the color wheel. I don't see anything else that's relevant. Looking on the 1 hour, you see this kind of nice stair set like here, another stair, and then this here. So this is broken. You can see this kind of being false broken. So I mark this with the next color. It's to the right of that, so yellow. And then in 15 minutes, I mark these baby blue ones. But I'm not going to trade those. So it's something that would be breaking my plan. So now I'm going to calculate the ATR to see where, like if we've moved too much already today. So I'm going to use Trading View for that. Just to make life easier. Let's get one day. And we're at 41. The difference is 41, so you can see it here at kind of the top middle. There's open, high, low. I can't move my mouse over there because it changes the values. All right, you can see it. It's these values here. So 55 out of ATR is like 1570. So I'm just going to put that into my log and I just shoot. So it's only 2.73%. Because it's so low, I can be very confident that it can go either direction. Next, I'm going to mark the 1 hour major trend and the daily trend. So the daily trend is honestly in range. I would say this is flat. I mean, this is coming up, but overall, if we're looking at 100 candles or something, it's pretty flat. So I'm going to write flat for major. But on the 1 hour, this is a clear upward trend. We're looking at relatively the same number of candles. Definitely an uptrend here, which is captured by these two sets of lines, the daily and the 4 hour long line. So actually, I mean, the first trade that stands out to me here, which is on the hourly chart, is of course like bouncing up into this range again. We have this floating daily level at 41,600 about. There's a lot of stuff on here, but you can kind of see that it's a place of balance. So price is attractive here. This is kind of stayed in the midline of the entire range since almost the beginning of this year. Since 41,600 has been kind of the midpoint or price movement. But it's a floating level, meaning that price stays around it, but it's a bounce off of it. Like maybe we would see this 45,500, you get more bounce off. Here's like a confirming candle. triangle here. This was kind of confirming. So a possible trade here is the reversal back into the range, which I think seems plausible. There's our range. 19 every target. Okay. So this was 8 a.m. today. Strong downward movement. This is a good risk reward. So you can enter here, set the stop at the previous low, which would be 40885. That would not give us enough range. So we'd have to do something. This sets the stop basically based off of the 3-to-1 ratio. So I think I want my take profit to not be at the very end of this range. I want it to be kind of in the middle in case we stop a little bit early. So let's go back to the algorithm and see if there's anything that we're missing. So step 3 is do a 3-to-1 ratio. This ratio we do. I realize it'd be nicer if I was looking at my camera, but I'll fix that later. We put point entry in a shorter time frame. So if you see any good points of entry, and honestly, this seems like a good one actually right now that we happen to be looking at. I'm going to mark this with kind of the baby blue thing that I mentioned earlier. There's a 5-minute. So we'll see this. Kind of looks like a triangle forming a little bit. This looks like a breaking to the downside triangle at the shorter time frame, but the longer time frame is a bounced one. The longer 4-hour time frame is this orange line here. That would indicate upward movement, and the blue lines indicate a downward movement. Of course, the 4-hour time frame takes precedence. So we're going to rely on that. Looks like we're going to take a long trade here. So okay, so as we train the bounce model, this is always taking a strong limit player, a strong daily level. This is technically not daily level. I'm not sure what the right thing to do is here. I could argue that this is, I guess because we have Christmas level, this would actually be a false break. False break is what we're looking for here. Yeah, that's right, because we have Christmas level. Bounce would be like we're trying to get a 30-to-1 ratio. Generally, the levels are flat, not diagonal like this. And on a bounce, what we're trying to get is something like, holy shit, if I fucking do that again, I'm going to kill myself. What we're looking for is something like this candle here. Yeah, we're looking for something better. Let me find an example of how we trade bounce model. This level is kind of shitty. How does it decide when I'm swiping like this to do back? And sometimes not. I'm scared it's going to fucking do it again. I don't. This is maybe the best example, I would say. Like, we're coming right up to the line. We stop. We could, we say we could put our stop like right here, almost on the just 50 points past the line, and then get maybe a 30-to-1 ratio or something like that. This would maybe be, let's see, we put our stop 50 points above. 50 times 20 is 1,000. So yeah, we get a 1,000-point move here. We get 20-to-1. Anyway, we're not doing that. We're gonna do false break. So the false break. Change my fucking browser. So the false break we're gonna do here is we're actually gonna wait until we see. We're gonna see this come back above the 4-hour line and enter that. Let's look at that. So train the false break model. This would be not a simple false break, but a complex false break. You see it. There's here, 1, 2, 3. So the complex false break is 2 or more candles finishing below above level. The more candles below or above the level, the stronger the impulse. So we could be kind of gaining power here to go up. Ooh, nice candle here. And when we trade this false break, what we're looking for is to set the entry on the set the entry on the other side of the 4 hour line. So like here or something, and set our stop at the length of the farthest candle. So assuming that, say, this would be the farthest down that this price goes. We have a long entry here at 41.46 and a stop at 41.200. I made my own little tool here. I made my tool, which I'm not going to show because it has some docs shit on there. But I made my own tool in Terminal, which I'll put in my next stream, for calculating like the correct trade size given the entry points. So in my tool, I put in the entry point, which we'll say it's 41.546, 41.546, and then a stop of 41.217. So the top price is 329 points. The correct size for that is $125. This is based off like a $200 paper trading account. That's basically what I'm still doing right now. So my correct size is $125. That risks around 1% of my account, giving me fees as well. And then going short, my default take profit is this. Okay, so I wrote something wrong in my script. Just a second, check that out. I wrote something wrong here. Shit. Fuck I put in the stop price first. Why the fuck would I do that? 1 That makes no sense. Who fucking thinks that? Okay. Well, my stop price, we'll see, is what the low of this candle is. 41222. And I'll put this entry maybe at this candle. So 41534. 41222. 41534. I'm typing this into my terminal. I just have it hidden so you can't see it. So the correct has $133. My stop size 312 points. And my take profit at a 3-to-1 ratio should be 42,470. Which we have definitely enough room for that. Given that, where the fuck is that other line? Why does this? What, like, I have that line on the daily in the 4 hour. Why does it not show up here? It's on the 1 hour. It's on the 30-minute. What the fuck? How does it decide to do that? That makes no sense to me. 42,470. So that would put us right about here. Perfect. That's like slightly above the midpoint of this range. That seems like a great entry to me. So I'm going to place that trade. I'm going to have to pay the fucking taker fees because we're a conditional market enter here. Okay, so entry is 41534. I'm going to buy 133 of this. I'm going along. My stop loss is 452. Okay, so this is kind of annoying, but Bybit, the take profit orders are conditional market orders, meaning when it's that level, it just creates a market order at that point, which is good if you want exactly that price and to take on your entire order at once. But it also incurs more fees. For me, it's 0.06%. I like to instead close the limit order, especially because I'm doing such small volume in this, like it's always going to get eaten up. For safety, I'm going to put this in. I'm going to take profit in here. In my code, I added a thing, so copies of take profit on the clipboard, which is pretty sweet. But in reality, what I like to do is once my order is open, once my position is open, then I select in the position, close by limit order. Of course, you can't see that right now because my position is not open. But if I did have it open, you'd see there's an option to close by limit order, which doesn't incur the fees. It's preferable. Okay, so this is my 3-to-1 ratio. you can honestly you can make an argument to go for a higher ratio, but I've just been sucking fucking dick and losing money hand over fist recently. Lost $8,000 in my most recent trade, so I'm gonna be very conservative and give my confidence back to my trade. So 41,222, 42,470, and we'll add that. Okay, great. So I see my orders in here. Here's I'm gonna take profits. What I'll do is like once this is triggered, assuming I'm like available to change things, then I'll replace this take profit with a close by limit at 42,470. This is better for me, save on fees, but Bybit doesn't let me like add that until the position actually opens. So, the other thing too is like imagine that this candle goes down here or something, and it comes back up and hits my order. Then I'll have to recalculate. Like, may not be worth it, right? Like, then my stop loss is down here. I don't have 3-to-1 within this range. And so I may need to change shit up. Who knows? Yeah, bearish. But on the hourly, 4 hours looks pretty fucking fantastic. Okay. I'm changing the title of this. How is this? Why does Restream think I'm a music artist? Not invisible to my eyes speak true. All right, that's all I'm doing for today. I'll reopen the stream if I'm at my computer in the trade.